Alright guys, I'm gonna make a video of cleaning these. They got like mold and stuff on it. I went to a store called Burlington. I bought this and this for $3.99 and this for $3.99. Try to clean this. Let's see how that goes. So just by doing a brush, like brushing down, brushing upwards, you could tell the big difference on how it looks. Now I'm gonna spray it with this, see how that goes. Alright, so I sprayed it down, brushed it. That's how it looks. Compared to the non-brushed, non-sprayed. I'll record it later to show you how it looks dried up. Guys, so they're not completely dry yet, but this is a finishing look. I cleaned the midsoles. I don't know if you remember how they look. So, with a little bit of Suede cleaner and a brush to the midsole, they look pretty good. They look way better than what they did beforehand. And I was thinking about buying a new pair, which they range from $250 to $500. But now that I cleaned them, they don't look that bad. Holy cow, I did not notice that. Oh well. But yeah, I was thinking about buying a new pair because of how bad they looked. I thought they were like destroyed or they were gone. I went to Burlington, bought this and this. Literally $8. Fixed them. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna buy another pair. I think I'm just gonna stick with these. The soles are about piss yellow, but like they say, it adds character.